Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility and unlocking system settings with your password. This ensures the enrollment registers securely. Once in Touch ID and password, choose Add Fingerprint. Place the center of the chosen finger on the power sensor, then lift and rest repeatedly to capture different angles. Make sure the finger is steady yet relaxed. This improves recognition accuracy. If the sensor feels oily, quickly wipe it. Continue until the progress graphic completes. This establishes the base fingerprint map. Once the initial capture finishes, refine registration by adjusting the finger to include edges and different pressures. This creates a fuller fingerprint profile. Make sure to add a secondary finger because you might need it when one hand is occupied. Enable Touch ID for unlocking, Apple Pay, and autofilling passwords so you understand what gets secured. Also, verify your PIN fallback and that iCloud Keychain and File Vault are enabled if you want seamless access to encrypted data. This ties biometric access to system security. You finish by locking and testing. Open the lid and touch the sensor with a single deliberate press. Avoid tapping. If it does not unlock, delete the fingerprint and re-enroll it, focusing on edges and varied angles. This usually fixes recognition gaps. If problems persist, reboot and reset the SMC, then check for Mac OS updates. Outdated firmware can block Touch ID. Remember, moisture, cuts, or lotions reduce accuracy. Dry and clean the sensor and your finger before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.